What are we gonna do?
We're going to Hawaii bug hunt.
Hawaii bug hunt. You wanna hold my hand, sissy? You got it? These little beetles or something. Oh, there's so many of them. Look at all those little beetles. They almost look like little roly polies. What is it?
There's little fire ants here.
Oh, it's a big hole. Oh, there's a big spider web, Bray. It looks like it's a big star. Where's the spider web?
Right there.
Oh, wow. Look at that spider web.
And there's another spider web up there.
Oh, there is another one up there. Very good.
It's kind of like a little seed.
Oh, it is kind of like a little seed. Interesting. Oh, I hear waterfalls.
Is it a river?
Oh, it's a river.
What's that say?
That says, warning, falling rocks. If you proceed, be alert. Ooh, what's this, Bray? What's this?
Ooh.
What's that? Is that a leech or something?
That's new.
It's some sort of worm. It kind of looks like a leech. What is it? What is it?
It's really hard to see. It's way small. Don't touch it. That's a picture.
Okay, be careful, sissy.
There's a lot of holes right there.
Oh, there's a lot of holes.
Yeah.
What is it?
That's it. Animal mining name.
Ooh. Look at the waterfall, sissy.
He's right there.
Good job.
The worm.
Look at it.
Whoa. I hear bird.
Isn't that nice?
Little beetle.
You see a little beetle in there?
Oh, it's right there. It's right there.
Oh, he got away, huh? That's okay.
Oh no. That's kind of like
It looks like some sort of roots.
maybe that's a tree.
Whoa, that's a big stick.
Yeah.
Whoa, something just jumped, Ray.
They're like all over this handrail right here. That's cool, huh?
See these orange plants, Ray? Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Let's keep going down.
There's a bug. Whoa, there he goes.
Maybe. Oh no, that's a bug.
Get it, Ray. Get
It's like a weird
Oh, it's like a leech.
sludge leech
Ew,
thing.
gross. What if it's a leech? Ew. Gross. Put that in the bug container. Hurry.
Right here. Here. Put it in my container.
I don't know what that is. You find something?
I don't know.
You see these things?
Hey, Daddy, it's starting to rain.
Feel it?
Yeah.
What's around this corner? What is it? Oh, wow, look at that. It is very good. Sissy, you see the big waterfall? Wow. It says no drones. You hear something? I hear something. You hear?
Did Daddy hear something?
I hear it.
Brayden, Daddy has a bug on him.
I can see.
That's a weird bug. It's a little beetle thing.
It was up here.
Daddy saw a bee. Where'd it go?
Okay, Daddy, we find some more.
Here's another one. Like what landed on Daddy.
What kind is it?
Some kind of little beetle. Look at all the trees. That's cool.
See those? Those are monkey trees.
Monkey hanging trees.
Wow. That's really so bright.
Right, here's a worm. Worm. Put it in the bug container.
Good job, buddy. Put your bug container.
Work. There's another one, Bray. There's 2 of them. 1, 2.
Here's one.
Got another worm.
And where's the other one?
Where'd he go?
Oh, he's right over here.
There's a big one. Whoa. He's fast. That is the fastest worm I've ever seen.
Oh, it's right here.
You got it? Oh, here he is. Woo! Where's the grasshopper?
Oh, and there's like a big slug thing here too. So slug and then there's a little grasshopper.
Whoa! Look at that big slug, Bray. I see a little cricket.
Auntie, bit this slug.
Look at that cricket, Bray.
I'll take it. Take it.
Whoa! Let Daddy get the cricket. You got him.
No, he jumped.
Oh, there's a worm on my toe. Ah! Excuse me. There he is.
There's nothing in there, baby.
And there's another one.
Another one. Oh, wow. So many worms. Look at that slug. Is that cool or what?
I like slugs.
Me too. Bye, slug.
Bye, slugs.
Got it.
Woo! Daddy got a cricket, Bray.
Open your bug container. Let me see.
Roly polies. Tons of roly polies. Oh, there's a centipede or a millipede. See the millipede right here? Look at that millipede.
It's dead.
Fine.
It's not dead. Found some cool stuff, didn't we?
Stop.
Woo. There's the cricket. Oh, wow. Look at it. Is that a cricket? Yeah. Whoa, there he goes. Say bye, bugs.
Be subscribed. Oh, okay.
During our Hawaii bug hunt, we found roly polies, spiders, different kinds of worms, lots of little beetles, 2 moths, 2 crickets, a slug, a millipede, and a little seed.